Welcome back to Unwinding Roads. Today we are going to fix my trail damage that I got on my brand new 2022 Jeep Gladiator Ecodiesel. So in case you missed it, I slid off the side of a rock, damaged this panel. And on my Patreon I asked how I should take care of it. And the Patreons voted to leave the damage because it tells a story, and I can't agree more. I wanted to get it all fixed up nice, but I do like the idea of telling the story with a little bit of a battle scar. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this panel off. We're gonna go visit my friends at Trick Factory Customs. They're gonna weld the hole shut, and then we're going to cover it with Metalcloak's skins. Now, if I were you, I would probably get the skins before something like this happens. It's gonna protect your vehicle, and it looks awesome. So in order to get this panel, to get to this damage, I'm gonna take off the fender, the inner fender, slider, this piece here, whatever that's called, and that should give us all the access we need to get this panel off. So let's get to work.
These side panels are made from extremely thin aluminum. And while the chances of taking damage like this are pretty slim, Metalcloak's 1/8 aluminum skins would have prevented a lot of this from happening. Removing the panel was pretty simple. None of the bolts were hidden, and everything went pretty smoothly.
Progress.
Except for the removal of the antenna cable.
Oh no, the antenna, I don't know how to remove it. Gotta put it back. Couldn't figure this part out, so the wire's getting cut.
It was at this moment I knew I messed up.
White Rock Dodge, how can I help you?
Hi, could you put me through the parts, please?
Parts, one moment.
Okay.
Parts Farm, Patrick speaking.
Hi, Patrick. I messed up. I cut my antenna, and I'm gonna need a new one.
The antenna looks like it's $56.52 plus tax. And where is it? We should see it hopefully today from UPS. It looks like it's on expert delivery service, so we should see it any day now.
Okay, Patrick, thank you very much. Very much appreciated. All right, come with me. This is the beauty of documenting everything. I don't claim to be a professional. I'm not a professional. I'm just a guy with a Jeep making videos, documenting my experiences. That wire antenna, as soon as I cut it, I realized it wasn't a regular wire, and I wouldn't just be able to solder some wires together to make it longer. So I'm gonna show you the proper way of doing this. You got your 3 bolts here. You're gonna take those off. And then under the glove box, you're gonna have the plug. So just unplug it. There's a grommet. You just pull the grommet out, and the whole thing will come out from this side here. $60 mistake, Canadian. That's about $40 Bald Eagle currency. Yeah. Anyways, let's keep going. Boom, let's get this thing fixed. Doesn't fit. Try back here. There we go. Should do the trick. Hey, watch the paint.
Oh, sorry. Forgot we're saving it. Not bad.
Okay. It's all done. Tim decided to put the fender on for me, and I think it looks pretty good.
The new fender really changed the look of the Jeep. Here at Trick Factory Customs, there's always something special being worked on. To make sure I felt comfortable with them fixing my Jeep panel, Tim showed me a very special project that they had been working on.
So this is, what is it, 1937?
36.
1936 Delahaye.
135M race car.
And Tim's like, you gotta sit in it. And then I was like, no, I'm good. But then he was like, you're never gonna get the chance to do it ever again. Which is true, so I'm gonna do this. Oh my goodness. What? This is insane. You guys built all this stuff?
Yeah, all the inner structure, and then now we got to build a body.
You see you need a bigger hammer?
Bigger hammer.
We almost got her beat, lad. Almost. We got pretty lucky. I think that rock did some pretty serious damage on it. It was super stretched out, huge crease. And yeah, we almost got her beat now. Almost like it never happened.
Will this make my truck faster?
Probably not, but you'll get more trail respect.
Yeah!
Buddy. Welded inside and out. It's a good idea to do that if you have access to both sides. So that's about as good as this is gonna get. It tells your story, and look at that. It's battle tested.
A quick hit of primer to prevent corrosion under the paint, and it's time to reinstall.
All right, it's on now. Time to put on the Metalcloak Exoskins. Super excited to get these on here. Got my tape. We're gonna tape them on and start drilling some holes in this bad boy. Now for the part you've all been waiting for. Drilling holes in the new Jeep. I don't know what feels worse, drilling holes in it or just having the dent in it.
A total of 24 17/32 holes have to be drilled just right for the rib nuts to fit perfectly.
Gotta love the BC weather around this time of year. It is non-stop rain for the next 2 weeks. I'm putting in the rib nuts right now and have it all mocked up. It looks pretty good. We're just gonna keep working. Let's go. Get this buttoned up. All right, it's looking good. Now I just gotta get the slider on there. But first, wardrobe change. Now I'm ready to crawl underneath the vehicle in the wet ground. Let's go. Here we go. Is that a hitchhiking tree? Wait a minute, that tree looks familiar. And these things off. Oh no, it's a trap!
Metalcloak's Exoskins make giant boulders feel like small pebbles. And now I'll never have to worry about boulders again. This statement is just a joke and not endorsed by Metalcloak themselves. While Metalcloak's Exoskins do prevent damage, it is not recommended to let hitchhiking trees throw rocks at your Jeep.
And well, now at this point, I've hit the dirt road. I've put these things to the test. They've been banged up. They've been hit with rocks. I haven't slid sideways into a boulder yet, so I can't speak on that exactly. But they're holding up great. Even their powder coating is holding up absolutely fantastic. I do want to give a huge thank you to Metalcloak for sending me these skins after hearing my story. Thank you very much. I absolutely love them. And a huge thank you to Trick Factory Customs as well for fixing my panel. They're my very good friends. I really appreciate them helping me out. So until next time, go away, get lost, and unwind.
Stay tuned for our next adventure while things got a little sideways.